Welcome to our video on building your own vertical garden structure. In this video, we will show you step by step how to create a beautiful and functional vertical garden that will transform any space. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, a vertical garden is a great way to maximize your gardening space and add freshness to your surroundings. Before starting the construction of your vertical garden, it's essential to choose the right location. Look for a spot that receives ample sunlight throughout the day, as most plants require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight to thrive. Additionally, consider factors like access to water source and the overall aesthetics of the area. To build your vertical garden, you will need a few basic materials. These include a sturdy structure such as a wooden frame or a wire mesh, planting containers or pockets, soil, gravel for drainage, and of course, a variety of plants. Make sure to choose plants that are suitable for vertical gardening and consider their specific light and water requirements. Now let's move on to the construction phase. Start by attaching your chosen structure to a wall or a fence, ensuring it is securely fastened. Next, create the planting pockets or containers along the structure. You can use pre-made containers or repurpose items like plastic bottles or shoe organizers. Fill the pockets with soil and add a layer of gravel at the bottom for proper drainage. Once your vertical garden structure is ready, it's time to start planting. Carefully select the plants based on their compatibility and arrange them in a way that provides optimal growing conditions for each. Remember to water the plants regularly, but be mindful not to overwater. Additionally, consider adding a drip irrigation system to automate the watering process. Lastly, don't forget to prune and maintain your vertical garden to ensure its long-term health and beauty. Congratulations! You have successfully built your own vertical garden structure. With regular care and attention, your vertical garden will continue to flourish and bring joy to your space. Enjoy the fresh air, beauty, and the satisfaction of growing your own little paradise.